Hey guys, it's Brie the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So we are at Walmart today to do our Ibotta haul and finish our mid-week harvest bonus. So mine is finally a $5 bonus when I do 12 offers, and I only need 8 more offers. I'm also going to be completing the free Thanksgiving dinner rebates today. I know a lot of them are limited quantities, so if you've done that and you've already gotten those rebates in your Ibotta account, definitely do them as soon as possible. Not only are the stores going to run out of all of the items, but there's only so many rebates available, so you don't want them to disappear on you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any great ways that you can save so much money through the holidays. I also have a giveaway going on right now. You can enter in this video. It will be linked below in the description box. It's in my CVS haul video that I posted yesterday. You can win $5 voucher or credit for you to be able to get some individual coupons from thecouponmarketplace.com. So I will have that video linked below. I also have that same giveaway going on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me yet on my Instagram, head over there. It's Brie the Coupon Queen. You can find that post and enter there as well. Both winners, I'm choosing 4 different winners. They're all going to be chosen on Sunday, so stay tuned on my channel for that. We have, of course, a million freebies that we are going to do today. I also have some additional rebates that I'm going to do, excluding the free Thanksgiving dinner rebates. That way, if you guys have already done that, still going to be some new deals this week that you can take advantage of in case you have a bonus. So let's go ahead, go inside and start taking advantage of all of these freebies. Okay, so let's start off with some makeup deals. If your store has the Rimmel eyeshadows, definitely do this deal. I'm gonna grab one of these for $2.97. I still have some $1 coupons we got in our $9.27 Smart Source. I'll pay $1.97 out of pocket, submit it to Ibotta for $1.60 back. Now accounts do vary, so you may have more or less on your rebate, just depends. So definitely check your account. My final cost is gonna be 37 cents. So definitely a great deal to start off our bonus today. The next Rimmel product we're gonna grab is some bronzer. So these down here are $3.97. I'm gonna use $1 off any Rimmel product coupon, same insert. I'm gonna pay $2.97, submit to Ibotta for $2.60 back, making our final cost for this as well just 37 cents. So if you're putting together a beauty basket or gift basket for the holidays, these would be 2 great items to add. Next deal we're gonna grab is gonna be this Men 3-in-1 shampoo right here. Now it has to either be the Citrus Rush or there's another one included, the Ocean Charge. Has to be one of those 2. So I was gonna grab this one, but it's not included in the Shopkick rebate, so that one wouldn't make sense. We are gonna use this $1.50 off 1 coupon from the 11-1 Unilever. We're gonna wind up paying, oh, and this is $2.94 as well. It's just like not tagged right here. So we're gonna pay $1.47. Then we're gonna submit to Shopkick for 220 kicks, which is about 88 cents, making this guy just 56 cents. Another freebie we're gonna grab is gonna be these Listerine Ready tabs right here. They're $2.62 for the 8 count. We also have this $1 off 1 coupon from the 11-1 Retail Me Not. And we're gonna submit it to Ibotta. Both of these rebates are coming up. That's gonna give us $2 back, making this guy completely free and a 38-cent moneymaker. Is on the St. Ives facial scrub, another great item to grab in a beauty basket for the holidays. They're $3.97. I don't have the $1 off coupon. I forgot to bring it from the house, so I will pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back and submit to Shopkick. When you scan it in store, you get 15 kicks, and when you buy it and submit the receipt, you get 475 kicks. That is going to give you about $1.96 back. You multiply it by 0.004. That's how you get the cash value. So final cost for this, if you have the $1 off coupon, is completely free and an 18-cent moneymaker. Another freebie is on the Noxzema, the anti-blemish pads. I've never actually used this, but it's gonna be free, so I may as well give it a shot. They're $3.97. We have this $1 off one coupon from the 11/1 Retail Me Not. We're gonna pay $2.97, submit to Ibotta for $1 back, submit to Shopkick, scan it in store, you'll get 15 kicks. Purchase it, you'll get 475 kicks when you submit the receipt, which is again $1.96 back, making this guy completely free. The next deal we're gonna do is Ibotta and Shopkick. So we're gonna grab one of these Degree Women's for $4.97. I checked, the Ibotta rebate is gone, unfortunately, but it still winds up being a great deal. We are gonna scan this on Shopkick for 20 kicks back, and it's part of a bundle. When you buy one of these and one of the men's, you're gonna get back 1,100 kicks. Then we're gonna grab a Degree Men over here for $4.97 as well. We're gonna submit this one to Ibotta for $1.25 back, and for the bundle for grabbing both of them, we're gonna get back 1,100 kicks. Multiply that by 0.004 is about $4.40 back. Then we have this 3 off of 2 coupon as well that we got from the 11/1 Unilever insert is where we got this coupon from. It expires on Saturday, so if you want to use this and stock up, definitely do it soon. Now our final cost is going to be just $1.09 for both deodorants, which I think is a great deal. Now for our free rebates, we're going to grab one of these cream of mushroom soups. At my store, they're $1.33. Submit it to Ibotta for 98 cents back, makes it just 35 cents. My favorite part, we are gonna get a whole turkey for free. It is $9.98. You're gonna grab one, submit it to Ibotta for $9.98 back, making it completely free. If you're not gonna eat it, definitely donate it to a family in need. This is definitely a great deal. They have boneless or they have the actual turkey. Okay, so I'm actually gonna grab a whole turkey instead of the boneless turkey breast. Now this one is saying that it works. It is $9.26, but when you scan it just on the Ibotta app, it's not pulling up. But when you pull up the rebate and scan it, it says it matches. So stay tuned, I'll let you guys know how it goes after I check out and try to submit my receipt to Ibotta. But an amazing deal. Now let's grab some mashed potatoes. It is only on the 8-ounce version of the Idahoan mashed potatoes. They are $1.82 at my store. Submit to Ibotta for $1.88 back, making it about a 6-cent moneymaker. Now we're gonna grab some stuffing for the turkey. The only one they have is the chicken flavored. They don't have any more of the turkey flavored, but you have to grab the great value version. It's 6 ounces. My store, they're just 78 cents. Submit it to Ibotta for 82 cents back, making it also a 4-cent moneymaker. Then you want to grab some gravy, the McCormick packet of gravy. The only one I'm finding at this store is the brown gravy. It's 88 cents. Ibotta is going to give us back $1.12. So if we get the full amount back, that is going to make this about a, 30-cent moneymaker. We are also getting a free bottle of Coke. There's a couple different flavors available as well. I'm just going to get the original. It's $1.74, and Ibotta is going to give us back $89, making this as well a 15-cent moneymaker. So that is going to go towards the other rebates that weren't exactly free, but this whole haul today is going to wind up being free, which, sorry about that, choking on myself. But everything is going to be free, so let's add this to the cart. Another freebie we're going to grab, this one has nothing to do with the Thanksgiving dinner, but Pepsi Zero Sugar is just $1.25. Finally got this at my store, and Ibotta's going to give us back $1.25, giving us another great freebie. Now we're going to grab some French's fried onions. We're going to grab the little guy. If you can see it, I have one in my cart to show you. Had to climb up there and grab it. It's this little one. It is 2.8 ounces. They are $1.84 at my store. Submit to Ibotta for $1.92 back, I believe, which is gonna make this another 8-cent moneymaker. Now we're gonna grab some cranberry sauce. So the great value one is right here for $1.27. And this is what it looks like. Had to climb up there again and grab it. So it's $1.27. Ibotta's giving us back 98 cents, but With the overages from some of the other items, it's all gonna wind up being free anyways, which is amazing. So definitely grab one of these and add it to your cart. Make sure you're scanning all the products on the Ibotta app. This is how you do that to make sure you're grabbing the right items. So click on the barcode at the top, then you're gonna scan the barcode in store. It'll pull up what rebate it attaches to. Or you can click the rebate at the bottom, click check barcode. Same thing, you're gonna go ahead and scan it in store. The check mark means it attaches. The last item you're gonna grab for the green bean casserole, which is my personal favorite part of Thanksgiving, is gonna be some green beans. It's not these though, not these. I scanned them, it didn't work. It's on the fine green beans. So you're gonna submit and get this completely free from Ibotta. My store just doesn't have it, unfortunately. So I'm gonna grab one of these anyways, that way I can complete my green bean casserole. Let's go check out. I'm so excited, and we are blessed that Ibotta is giving us all of these freebies to really help us have an amazing Thanksgiving. Again, if you don't need any of these items, please pick them up anyway, run to the store real quick, does not take that much time, and donate it to a local food shelter or a family in need so they can have a great holiday as well. So that is everything. We are going to hit pay. Then you're gonna put your little coupons in this slot here. It's a different machine that I'm using today. So make sure you enter in all your coupons here. Then we're gonna pay. Let's check out and see how everything goes when we submit our receipts to Ibotta. But this is gonna be our final out-of-pocket cost after all of the coupons today. Okay, we're back in from Walmart. I'm so excited, guys. Everything we got today, completely free and a $2 moneymaker. So for going shopping today, it took me about an hour. I walked out of the store paying $42 out of pocket plus taxes, and I got all of that back and more from Ibotta. You want to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards as well, and Shopkick. So a couple questions and that I usually get that I want to answer real fast before I show you my receipt. Number one, my account on Ibotta is currently locked, unfortunately, but all you have to do when that happens is reach out to Ibotta, submit a ticket. All of that information is on my website, BrieCouponQueen.com. Go to the Rebate Apps tab. There's a section at the bottom, if you scroll down, for where you can submit like support tickets and customer service questions for the different rebate apps. So definitely head over there if you have any questions. I also reach out to them on Facebook and just send them a message. Then they always respond. Last time it took me 5 days for them to unlock my account. It's already been 3 days, so hopefully they unlock it soon. Yes, you can still get rebates and submit for them when your account is locked. You just can't cash out, unfortunately, which is kind of the point, but that's up to you if you want to keep doing rebates in the meantime. Then for Shopkick, when you submit your receipt, it takes about 48 hours for them to give you your kicks back. Sometimes it's an hour, sometimes it's a day, it just depends. Then you want to just double check on your Shopkick receipt or Shopkick app, and it'll tell you how many kicks it gave you. So just wanted to answer those two questions real quick. So let's go over my receipt. Everything went great. The only coupon that didn't scan, I know a lot of your Walmarts are very strict. If a coupon doesn't scan, they don't let you use it. So the one coupon that didn't scan, it was the eye product that didn't scan. So heads up on that. Here is my receipt. Everything went through, used a couple different coupons, paid $42.05 out of pocket, and plus taxes, of course. So I did pay that out of pocket. I didn't use a Fetch Rewards gift card this time because I didn't want to worry about it. So I just paid that cash out of pocket. Submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got back $30.27. I'm gonna get another $5 back completing that mid-week harvest bonus, which is awesome. Then I submitted it to Shopkick for 2,250 kicks, which will be about $9 back. I did get a couple more kicks from scanning the products in store, but final cost is free and a $2.21 moneymaker, which I'm so excited about. If you guys have any questions, of course, drop a comment. Smash the like button for me if you love these videos so I know what to kind of do for you guys. This week is kind of off as far as what videos I'm doing in what day because I'm playing catch up from being on vacation from my birthday. So today I did Ibotta. Tomorrow I'm going to do Walmart, which is going to be Wednesday. Thursday, I'll do Dollar General, and then next week, of course, we'll be back to normal. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Just click my face button right here. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.